Hi guys, we're gonna show you how to use our ready-made templates for your business cards from our website www.STUDIO13marketing.co.uk. You just go to the website, simply choose print materials, business cards. As you can see, we've got many different options for finishing, shapes. You can get wooden cards, recycled paper, anything what you can imagine. Even cards with magnetic strip, loyalty cards, appointment cards, everything here. But today I'm just gonna show you simply on the standard no lamination business cards. You can use these templates on every product. Here on the left hand side you can see some examples of our work. You can also notice that our standard business cards are printed on 400 GSM paper, which is very good quality. So now just simply choose your quantity. Let's do 250, single or double-sided. Let's go double. And here you can see three options. You can design from blank, you can browse our templates, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, or you can upload your own design. Let's browse our templates. Here you got all of our templates. Let's use the first one here. So this is your editor. On the left hand side you can change text, shapes, add some uploads, clip arts or your previous designs. Here on the top you can add grid. You can just clear everything, put something to bin, copy, put on the front, put on the back, flip it, centralize it, and this is undo and redo. So let's start our simple design. Let's click on the text. You can see all of the text here. You can change text here, change font. Let's change font for Lato, for example. You can change your size, color of text. Let's go red. Yeah. And you can choose your outline. You can make it curved, different radius, spacing. You can change your opacity, alignment, and add some decoration. Also here, by grabbing the corner, you make it bigger or smaller. If you click on the background, let's see background, you can change the color of background and just make it simply white. Yeah, these shapes, mandala shapes, you can change them as well. Or if you want, you can browse the clip arts here. And this is our collection of clip arts. We've got different categories. Gym, beauty, many different, depends what business you are. Barbershop, you can just add the icons, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, many different. You can add your telephone number and the icons for paying by card, payment methods. And also here you can change the color of your icons. Yeah, so these are the icons I show you. You can also make them bigger or smaller. You can change the color. Simply just edit your telephone number. Change your Instagram. Change the color of that as well. Yeah, you're free to use any of our clip arts. Also going to show you can find some different backgrounds for business cards. There's mandala shapes, business icons, offers, anything what you need. You just simply, let's say, grab it, yeah, drop it, and then you can fully customize it. You can rotate it. Copy it, or you can just delete it. Let's say we are happy with the front, because that's the front. Let's see the back. Same, you can change everything, change your background. That's right, you can add some shapes, for example, heart shape. Red. There you go. Everything is fully customizable. change everything, you can add some colors, you can add your own clip arts. The possibilities are endless pretty much. Let's say we are happy with the front and back. If you got any questions, of course, you can just simply message us here and we will give you as much information as possible to make sure your design is ready for you and you're happy with it. So if everything is ready, you just add to your cart. Here you can see everything. We've got free shipping on all of the products. You can preview your front, preview your back. That's the price, 250 quantity, double-sided, $16.95. And you just proceed to checkout. And there you go, your cards will arrive within 7 working days. Simple, simple. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check www.STUDIO13 Marketing Co UK for best offers. If you got any questions, please leave the comment or give us a message on our website, give us a call. We're happy to help. Thank you very much. See you soon.